In this video, you'll learn how to add a shipping address on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to manage your shipping information effectively and ensure your items are delivered to the correct location. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, look for your profile icon, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the web page. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option Build Account Settings. This action will direct you to a new page where you can manage various account details. On the account settings page, navigate to the section labeled Addresses. Here you will see a list of your current saved addresses, including both shipping and billing details. This page is essential for managing your shipping information. To proceed with adding a new address, look for the option that allows you a new shipping address and click on it. This begins the process of entering your new shipping details. Next, you will be prompted to enter several pieces of information for the new shipping address. Fill in the recipient's name, followed by the street address, city, state, postal code, and country. It is important to double check all the details you enter to ensure accurate delivery. After confirming the accuracy of the information, you have the option to set this address as your default shipping address. This choice can simplify future transactions as it designates this address for your purchases. After entering all the necessary details, the next step is to save the address. Look for the button labeled Save and click it to confirm your new shipping address. Once you have saved the address successfully, it will appear in your list of saved addresses. This means that during the checkout process for future purchases, you can easily select this address. Keeping multiple addresses allows you to ship items to various locations without having to re-enter information each time. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.